So these bits of toothpick are to hold these on. These pipes are for the bleed steam to be sent up to the water heaters, preheat to feed water. So this one's probably for the low pressure heater, and this pipe maybe goes to deaerator or something else. And yeah, these are just to bleed the steam off the turbine. So here are the bleed steam pipes for feed water heating, and I've been getting the outer walls of the ship put on, and I'm gonna leave this open so I can guide these to the holes, which are right here. Soon I will glue that top piece on. I made this thing out of copper wire so that I can put my little GoPro inside the ship. Okay, just stick it in like that, and I can move it around. Alright, here's what I've gotten done. Here are some walls up here, and I think this is the locker room, and this is the laundry room. This is what I've gotten done. Here's the chief engineer's office, and here'll be the tanks. This will be going into the tunnel. And yeah, these are just the walls I've gotten built. This is be the top of my engine room model. I'll just need to build a little shaft right here for the skylight, and up here above the boilers will be the draft fans and the feed water heaters. I made a little bit of a mistake, so I accidentally made this 1/8 of an inch too tall. I just forgot to factor in for the thickness of this, which cardboard's about 1/8 of an inch thick. And when just measuring off of my VA plans I drew, I just forgot to factor in that the upper deck would come 1/8 of an inch lower. So, fixing that right now. So right now I'm building the diesel generator. This is the diesel engine, and this is the platform for it to go on, and the radiator right here. So just gonna go like that. The diesel generator, it's almost done, but it is looking pretty good. This is Northern Elevations. He lives in Canada by the Soo Locks, and he takes drone videos of ships. Alright, so here is the diesel generator. It's a 200 kilowatt, 12 cylinder, 2-stroke diesel, and I believe it was manufactured by General Motors, but I think it turned out pretty good. I had to mostly guess about it because there are no pictures of the Edmund Fitzgerald's diesel generator, but I think I'm going to fit it right in here behind these control panels, which are going to go in these places, and give me one more right there. But yeah, I think it'll fit in here. Down here are some stairs. They're not completed because you're not going to be able to see all the way down there. My camera is going to just be like this, and you're not really going to see much else. So this is the diesel generator on the Arthur M. Anderson. So I'm kind of trying to copy it. It's similar, same power, and probably also 12 cylinder 2-stroke. And this is another diesel generator. I think it's a Detroit diesel I found on YouTube. I just decided I'd kind of try to copy the looks of this with the color and the air filters. So here is the diesel generator and the control panels, and I got in some new stairs right here. I made a little mistake here. Now this one is the right height, but that one over there is a little too short. Now I basically just mismeasured off the plans. I accidentally measured the middle engine room, not the upper engine room. Okay? So yeah, I've had to fix that. And here's the one that was previously there. Yeah. So I'm building the MG unit right now, and it's gonna sit on here like this. Toothpick with straws, and this bit is just to extend a toothpick. Gonna put this bit of straw over it like that. And on the inside of this toothpick is just some rolled up cardboard, you know, some of this stuff. And yeah, here it is on the plans. So now I've got the diesel generator glued down in the MG unit. And this right here is the control air compressor for the combustion stuff, I guess. I will put it about right here, and yeah, and this is gonna be the exhaust pipe for the diesel generator. And over here are the bases for the two main air compressors, which are larger. I think I'm going to put them somewhere over here. Here are the control panels, all done. This one right here is for the boilers. This one is for the MG unit. And this one back here is for the engine room. And here is the exhaust pipe glued onto the diesel generator. I'll just send it back here.